Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm glad you came back to my channel. I have a new project to start. October Daily is done. I know it took me a little bit longer to get the videos up, but I have them up and I hope you enjoyed that project. I am now moving on to Thankful 30. This year I decided to get the kit from Feed Your Craft before it sold out, and that kit came with a stamp set and then all these different cards. And then I believe it came with the puffy stickers and then the die cuts. And basically, honestly, I am just following Heba's formula. You know who Heba is? You might live under a rock. Everybody knows who Heba is. I will link her channel so that way you can see, but her basic formula is just a field notes book and then a card on the left from the Thankful collection and then a photo. And that's basically what I'm gonna do. I am going to use my clear sticker paper, and this one I kind of already started so that way I could show you. My husband loves to use FaceTime now, and he works at a job now that he can use FaceTime, so we have a fun time doing that. So I put the clear sticker on there and the journaling, and I will just decorate. And so I have all these fun supplies to document my November. All right, I'm gonna get started and I'm excited you're here. Thanks for joining me. All right, so November started off with a day with just my daughter and I, so I am documenting that story and just how I enjoyed my time with her and our girl time. So I'm just putting the card on the left and our photo on the right, and then I picked out some leaves to make a few embellishment clusters. I also decided that I am going to date the Thankful 30 with a November stamp from Everyday Explorers, and then also a new stamp set that's coming out soon that is the mini calendar days. I also got this sticker book. I literally hunted it down on Etsy and I found one, and so I ordered it, and it's gonna make everything easier because stickers are flat and it'll help things not be too bulky. So I'm just making, like I said, a cluster of stickers, the die cuts, and then a few color cast designs leaves that I have hoarded over the years. And then I have 2 circle stickers, and I'm almost done with this spread. I'm just gonna add the date. I started, as you can see, by adding 1 repeatedly because I thought that that would be a way to show the date, but then I really didn't like that, so I just covered it up with a word strip phrase, and I'm just going to cover that up, and then I will use the mini calendar days instead because I wanted to make sure that my number was bold, and just stamping with the numbers from the Feed Your Craft kit wasn't enough. Okay, so this is the photo of my husband and I'm in the corner and we're making silly faces. I fussy cut out some flowers from the 6x8 paper pad, and I also fussy cut out 2 little squirrels that I thought was really cute, and I pulled out a sticker strip. I guess it looks like washi to me, but I'm gonna lay it across both pages, just adding lots of florals to this page, and also going to stamp the date, and then that will wrap up this spread as well. So these spreads just come together super quick, and that's what I love about this Thankful 30, and also just kind of following Heba's formula. It makes it so it's not really complicated, and it's nice to have a project that just follows a formula and makes it so it's not complicated. So you can see I just added my florals to kind of frame in the photo of my husband, and I've laid down that floral washi strip, and then I just added a few sticker flowers, and then I'll move on to the third spread. The third one is about my computer, and I just love having that computer in a central location, and it's kind of my place where I go when I want to write down something in my planner and I want to play on the computer, and so I just had to capture that. It was also one of the Feed Your Craft prompts for Thankful 30, so I'll leave a link for that. I'm also going to use the glasses die cut, which I just had to use because I wear glasses, and I thought that was perfect. I took 2 stamp phrases from the stamp set and I put those at the top left and the bottom right. And then I'm going to add in the date and a few little stickers. I think I chose some hearts, and then I will move on to the last spread for this video. So I just cut that one. I cut the stem off so that way I could tuck it underneath the glasses. And that way it's like hiding underneath the glasses. And just a few more hearts, and I'm moving on to the fourth spread. The fourth one is all about working out and how I didn't really see myself as somebody who works out, but now it really helps me get through my days and staying home with the kids. And I was able to capture myself with the timer in this really cool position that I was doing. I don't even know what it's called, but it was part of the workout and I was able to do it. So I was proud of myself. So I went with the blues and the grays and the darker colors in this kit. And I also am going to use another washi sticker strip type thing, and I stamped out the November and also the calendar day. I also went and stamped a phrase that said grateful even when it's hard, because sometimes it's hard to work out. Okay, every day it's hard to work out with the kids needing my attention, but I managed to get it done most days and I'm proud of myself. Also going to add in a few of the branches, the brown branches, because I thought that those complemented the thankful die cut well. And then I will be finished with these first 4 spreads. Easy peasy, and that is just a wonderful project. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these pages come together, the start of this project. I'm so glad you're joining me for another project that I am taking on. I would absolutely love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you want to continue to see my pages. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.